See how gorgeous this look. Very, very nice and crispy bread recipe. Hey sweetie, welcome back. Today I share with you how to make a delicious and simple bread recipe. So begin guys, we are going to be needing this warm water. Over here we have warm milk. Here we have oil. Here we have sugar. Over here we have butter. Over here we have yeast. Just mix a little bit like this. Now you are going to be adding egg. Mix that again together. Next you are going to be needing flour. Adding salt. Then mix together. So at this point we are going to transfer everything back to the wall surface like this. So now you are going to mix to have a strong dough like this. Just mix everything together until it comes together. So keep on mixing that. We are going to be having strong dough like this. So don't allow your dough to be too strong. Don't allow it to be too soft. So it's going to be fluffy like this and you're going to have a perfect bread outcome. So guys, at this point you have the dough ready. Very nice and fluffy dough. You can see the texture. So all you do now is to transfer this back to the bowl. Add a little bit of oil in a bowl like this. Just do like this. And then transfer the dough back over here. So cover. So you can cover with your kitchen towel like this. So this is going to rest like 30 minutes before we proceed. Hi sweetie, this is 30 minutes later and then we have the dough over here. Now you see the dough, it has doubled. Add a little bit of flour in the wall surface and then bring out the dough like this. Try to get rectangle shape guys. Roller to roll it so that you can get that achieved. So once you achieve it like this, just tag it over here like this. Just tag it around like this. So now you get that food like this. A little bit of food, don't make it to that big, just like this, and then you press it around again. You roll it back and then you press. Just keep on doing it until you reach the end like this. Just keep on rolling it like this and then you have it like this. So this last one you have to tag it over here like this. So now you get this achieve, you are going to be needing cutter, then start cutting it like this. Cut everything out like this. So yeah, so now you are going to be needing your baking pan. So before that, grease your baking pan around with butter. Use butter to grease it around like this. So after greasing your baking pan, you're going to be having something like this. Just take it like this and paste it in the middle of, and then place the second one like that. Paste the third one like that. Just keep on arranging it like this. So now you have everything over here in this pan. So all you do now is to cover this to rest again for 30 minutes. Just cover with the kitchen towel, then allow this to rest for 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes later, then we have it. So at this point it has doubled. So just use egg to grease it around like this and you are going to be having something like this. So this is just normal egg, you can just mix that together. So now that it come up like this, at this point I'm going to transfer this to the oven to do the job. Over here I have my oven, so I'm going to get that on like this and then bring out this. So I transfer that back over here like this to cover that. So this is going to be baking for 40 minutes. We are going to have our bread. Sweetie, here we have 45 minutes later, our bread has baked and come out so perfect. Bread. Wow, wow. So just cut the bread like this. Like inside was so nice and it was so fit up. Just imagine. We have our bread, yummy and delicious. This when the bread is ready and it's packing so perfect, just grease it around like this with butter and you have your delicious homemade bread. This is just so easy to get done and it's everything delicious. See how gorgeous this look at that. It cooks so perfect and it's so crispy. Look at that guys. Wow, wow, wow. This bread is so delicious. Just few ingredients to get this done, and you are going to love every bit of it. See how gorgeous this look. Very nice and crispy bread recipe. So sweetie, let's test this bread. Like this bread is everything gorgeous. See how gorgeous this look. Oh my goodness. All you do is to share. I love you. Don't forget to follow this recipe in my next one. Bye.